Hello students, welcome you all in the 7th lecture of the TOC, and in this we are focusing on the context-free grammar, and this will be the last lecture of the context-free grammar. One more topic is there in the CFG, but that topic we are going to see after the completion of PDA, because I personally believe that after the completion of PDA, that topic is easy to understand. Okay, so I hope you are watching our videos, and if you have any problem regarding anything, you can follow our page and you can post there also, or you can also follow us on Twitter and you can tweet there also. And if you have any personal problem, like personal query, we can say that regarding any subject, you can mail us by using this mail ID. Okay, so let's start the session. In last class, we have seen that the conversion of CFG into CNF, that is context free grammar, Chomsky normal form. Okay. Similarly, in this lecture, we are going to focus on conversion of CFG into GNF, that is Grayback normal form. Okay. So before going to focus on the Grayback normal form conversion algorithm, let's see about the what is the productions rules are allowed in the GNF. Okay, that is in Grayback normal form. And after that, we will see the conversion algorithm. And lastly, we will focus on one example. We will solve one example so that it will be better to understand. Okay, so let's start the definition of GNF. So any production, if that is in Grayback normal form, should have the following pattern. Okay, so we can say that the definition says that any production of the form, अगर इस प्रोडक्शन में होगा, स्टार्ट सिंबल है एंड स्टार्ट सिंबल क्या प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है एप्सिलॉन, देन इट इज अलाउड GNF. Then some non-terminal is producing terminal, then this is also allowed in GNF. And finally, some non-terminal is producing a production like this. First it will have some terminal, and after that any number of non-terminals, so this is also allowed in. Okay, so we can say that here A is the terminal and S, A, B, C are the non-terminals. Okay, and similarly we have seen that the things allowed in the also productions allowed in the CNF are कैसे अलाउ हो सकता था उसमें. Suppose S is producing AB, this is allowed, and A is producing small a, this is also allowed. Means either a non-terminal will produce two non-terminals at the right side, or one non-terminal will produce one terminal. Only these two productions are allowed in CNF. GNF, we have the productions like this, and similarly this thing is also allowed in CNF also, because starting production, starting symbol is producing epsilon, then that is allowed in CNF also. Okay, so let's see the conversion algorithm of CFG into GNF. So this is the algorithm, and very first step says that just a second. Okay, first step says that convert the grammar into CNF. Suppose how given a CFG grammar, and if that grammar it is not in CNF form, then we have to convert that grammar into the CNF. Okay, means we have to remove the epsilon production, remove the unit production. Similarly, we have to arrange all the production in the CNF form if that given grammar is not in CNF. If that is already in CNF, then no problem. Okay, no need of again do for the work for the step. Okay, next step says that if the grammar has or exists left recursion, then we have to eliminate it. Okay, so what is meant by left recursion? Okay, suppose discuss here about the left recursion first. Suppose I have the productions like this. A is producing A, alpha or beta. Okay. So in this situation, I am having the, in this production, I am facing the left recursion. Why? Because at left side A variable is present and A is producing A alpha or beta. At the right hand side, लेफ्ट साइड, राइट हैंड साइड के लेफ्ट साइड में क्या है, अगर सेम सिंबल प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है जो कि राइट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, देन वी कैन से दैट देयर इज ए लेफ्ट रिकर्शन इज प्रेजेंट, मींस ए इज प्रोड्यूसिंग ए अल्फा, सो सेम symbol is present at the right hand side and that to left side. Okay, so this is called as left recursion. Suppose A is producing alpha, A is there, then we can say that here right recursion is present. But whenever we come across the we can say that left recursion, we have to remove this left recursion. Okay, and here A producing A alpha or beta. So beta, what is mean by beta? Beta is anything, but only thing is that it will not start with A. It will not start with A symbol. Okay, beta is anything, but only thing is that it should not start with A symbol, and we have to remove this left recursion. So how we will eliminate this left recursion? Okay, so we can eliminate this left recursion by rewriting above productions are like this. So A is producing beta as it is, and we will replace other things with new symbol, that is A prime. Okay, we can write any symbol, and next we will mention what is A prime. A prime will be alpha, A prime or epsilon, alpha, A prime or epsilon. Okay, so by using this way we can eliminate the left recursion. Okay, that we will focus on the example how can we will eliminate the left recursion. Okay, so after the left recursion removal, we have to focus on the next step, that is if in the grammar, okay, in the grammar the production rules are not in GNF form, then we have to convert that production rules into the GNF form. So we have already discussed what are the productions are allowed in the GNF form. So basically what we have to do in this conversion, first context free grammar is given, then we have to check whether that is present or that is in CNF form or not. If that is in CNF form, no problem. If that is not in CNF form, then first we have to convert CFG into CNF by following the CNF algorithm. Okay, then after that we have to check whether the grammar is containing left recursion. If there is a left recursion, we have to remove that left recursion by following these steps. Okay, and finally remove left recursion, we have to convert the production into the GNF form. Okay, so these steps we have to follow while converting grammar into the GNF. Okay, so let's see the example regarding the conversion. So this is the example given, and we have to convert this CFG into GNF form, because you can see that this is already in CNF form as per our step first. All the production we can say that non-terminal is producing or is producing a single terminal. So all the productions are in CNF form. Okay, so next step says that we have to see whether the productions which are the productions which are not in CNF form, or whether it is having a left recursion or not. Remember one thing, now we can see that here we are not seeing any left recursion, but continuously we have to check for this, because at any time, because we are replacing the productions in this, at any time we can get a left recursion in the production. production. So continuously we have to check for that. Okay, so first of all I will write which are the productions are not in GNF form. So productions are like S is producing XB, or S is producing A and A is producing SA are not in GNF. Okay, so we have to first of all try to convert these productions into the GNF form. Okay, now we can see that S is producing XBAA, so and A is producing SA. So instead of this A we will put S is producing these two production, we will put instead of this. So the after replacing, the productions becomes S is producing XB or AA. After that A is producing, now A is producing A single A, and instead of this S, this S has by using this production. So S is producing XB or AA. So first I will replace instead of S as XB. So the production becomes A is producing XBA. Next I will replace this production, that is instead of S I will write AA. This will become triple A, and finally B is becomes small b and X is become small. Okay, now after this step we can see that again this production, this production, this production, these productions are not in GNF. Okay, are not in GNF. So first of all we will try to convert at least one of them, or if possible all the production into the GNF form. So basically GNF form says that suppose the production is like A is producing small a, it is allowed, that is terminal, or otherwise we want A is producing A, B, C, D like this. Okay, anything. Okay, we want such productions. So in this grammar we can observe that X is producing small a, and in this S is producing XB. In this production X is available, and A is producing XBA. So in this also X is available. So instead of X we can replace with terminal, so that these two problems can be solved. So instead of this I will replace S is producing, X is replaced by small a, so this is AB, and next A is producing small a, and instead of XBA, instead of this X I will replace with small a. So the production becomes A is producing A, small a, BA or triple A, and finally the remaining productions are as it is. B is producing small b and X is producing small. Okay, now we can say that these are the productions we got after replacing X as a small. Now again we will check and we will see whether any problems or any other predictions are there which are not satisfying in CFG. We can check that. Okay, now S is producing capital AA, so this is the problem, and now we can say that the major problem in this is A is producing now triple A. A is producing triple A, so we can say that whichever the symbol is occurring in the left hand side, that is producing at the right hand side, on the left side. Okay, so we can say that right hand side ke left side, so that same symbol to be left hand side producing. So A is producing, that is capital A, so this is the left recursion. Remove this left recursion, and for removing this left recursion we will follow the production rules which we have discussed earlier. So by using that we can remove the left recursion. Let's see that. So in left recursion we have seen that suppose, let me write that thing only. A is producing some A alpha or beta okay, A alpha or beta. So in this left recursion is present, A is producing A, okay, and B is anything which is not starting with capital A, because if it is starting from capital A, then it is also having the left recursion, okay. So this left recursion can be replaced by using that two rules, that is A is producing beta A dash and A dash is producing alpha A dash or okay. So same production we will follow while writing, while removing this left recursion. So in this also we will follow the same thing, okay. So in this, what is beta? So this is the beta A or ABA, this is the beta, and in this what is the alpha? This double A is the alpha, okay. So the production rules become, now the production rules are S is producing AB and this AA as it is. Again A is producing, now instead of this we have to write beta A dash. So beta, what is beta? This situation beta is A, so instead of A dash I will replace with A dash only, A dash, then again ABA, that is beta A dash as it is, okay. So this thing is O. Now we have to write what is A dash. Now A dash becomes alpha. What is alpha here? AA. Alpha is AA and A dash. Okay. And what is remaining? That is, you have to take epsilon. So here is the epsilon. And finally, the remaining productions are as it is. BB is producing B and X is producing small d. Okay. So in this we can see that the left recursion is removed, but this is having the right recursion, but we don't have to remove the right recursion. That is not doing any problem while solving this, okay. But the productions we can see that are not in GNA form, that is S is producing capital A and A is producing, sorry, A dash is producing double A. Okay, so let me first, before that this is having the problems, but before that we will replace this epsilon, because we have to remove the epsilon production, because we have seen that CNF is not having the epsilon productions. We have removed epsilon production in CNF. So any grammar which we have converting into the GNF, it should first have in CNF form. So first we will remove this epsilon. So epsilon will be removed by using, we will write the productions with or without that nullable variables. First we will identify the nullable variables. So A dash is the nullable variable. So A dash, okay. Now instead of A dash I will put null, whether anything is coming null or not I will check that, okay. So A is producing A dash. Suppose I will put here epsilon, then it is giving me one terminal, that is A, so that is not null. So only nullable variable is A dash, okay. So I will write wherever the A dash is present, I will write that production with or without that A dash, that is with or without nullable variable. So the production becomes, now S is producing AB as it is, then AA, then A is producing AA dash, so nullable variable without nullable variable, then again ABA dash with nullable variable, without nullable variable it will become ABA, okay. Now again A dash becomes with nullable variable, so A dash, and finally without nullable variable AA, and the remaining two productions are as it is, that is B is producing small b and X is producing small a, okay. So we can see that S is producing here, S is producing capital A, and the next production is that A dash is producing A. So instead of this, because these two productions are not in GNF form. Okay. So instead of this, we can replace, or we have to remove this production, or we can say that we have to convert this production into the GNF form. So what we will do? So A, instead of A, we will put these productions. Okay. So instead of A, we will replace A with these productions. That is a left hand side A, we will replace by using this production. So the productions becomes, let me write. So the now production becomes S is producing A, B, and instead of this A, I will write whole production, the whatever A is producing. So this will become A, 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 then A, then A, B, A dash, and this A. So then A, B, A, and this A. Okay, that is correct. Next, A, whatever A is producing, that becomes as it is. So A dash, or A, B, A dash, or A, B. Now A dash. So instead of this A, what I will do? Instead of this A, I will replace production. So this is as it is, and instead of that A, I will replace with these things. So this will become A dash A, then A as it is. We'll write the same thing. A B A dash A B. Finally, the remaining productions are as it is. B is producing B, this is producing C. Okay. Now in this again we will check which are the productions in the GNF form or which are not in the GNF form. So whichever are not in GNF form, again we will convert that into the GNF form. Let's find out that. So in these we can see that S is producing AB, first non so first terminal is there, then any number of terminal, sorry, wait. S is producing AB. So first terminal is there, and after that any number of non-terminals are allowed. So first starting with terminal, after that any number of non-terminals. So this is in GNF, this is also in GNF, this is also in GNF. A is producing A in GNF, this is also in GNF, this is also in GNF. Okay. So next is A dash is producing A. So this production is not in GNF. Okay. And other these productions are also. This is also in GNF. This is also in. Okay. So we have to replace production. A dash is producing A dash. Okay, with another production. So we can say that instead of the A, we can write these productions. So we can check with so finally the production becomes, so S is producing say AB A dash A dash A and AB A. Similarly, A is producing A dash A B dash, that is, this is ABA. Now A dash is producing A dash. So instead of that, I will write A dash as, instead of this A, I will replace all these things. So A dash A, and after that I will add A dash dash. Just a second. Instead of this A, let's say with this I will erase this. I will follow this A only. Okay. So instead of this A, I will write expressions. So A, and after that A dash. So A dash. Next again A is there, and I will add A dash. After that AB A dash, and again I will add A dash, and finally A is there, and I will add A dash. Okay, so this is only for this A dash is producing A dash. Okay, so remaining A dash becomes, I will write, instead of writing in one line, I will again write A dash produces a remaining. Okay, so these are the remaining, and we can see that here there is no repetition of any production, so I have to write all these productions. So these are the productions, like A, then A B A dash A, and finally we have B produces small b and X produces small a. Okay, so these are the final productions. We can see that there is no we can say that left recursion, or there is no production we can say that available in this grammar, which is in CNF form. All the productions are converted into the GNF form. Okay, so this is the GNF form of the given CFG. Okay, I hope आप लोगों को ये समझ में आ गया. So this is all about CFG. Okay, in next lecture we will see about the push down arithmetic. ओके, आई होप आप लोगों को ये समझ में आ रहा होगा. प्लीज अगर समझ में आ रहा है तो प्लीज कमेंट ऑन वीडियो, लाइक द वीडियो, so that it can give the energy to do better in next video. Okay, so please subscribe the channel and also tell your friends so that they can be benefited from this.